This is Chad Bordola. Today I'm going to give you free instant access to the Ultimate Facebook Groups Checklist Guide. 100% free, no strings attached, okay? So basically kind of give you a backstory about what we've done is over the past few months, we had over 100 people ask us different kind of questions about different marketing topics. So what we did is we compiled a whole bunch of information and decided to create 20 different checklist free guides that you guys can get access to. We call them the best digital marketing checklist, and they are all PDF files, okay? Very, very simple. So this one today is the Ultimate Facebook Groups Checklist, okay? I always go over a little bit of what you're going to get, so you kind of have an understanding of what you're going to get when you get this PDF file for the Ultimate Facebook Groups Checklist. All right, so right here, this step-by-step guide is packed with proven strategies used by top community managers worldwide, ensuring that your Facebook group is active, engaging, and successful. So that's what we did. We basically made a checklist for you guys called the Ultimate Facebook Groups Checklist that will allow you to start from the top of the checklist and work your way down to the bottom to make sure your Facebook group is set up for success. So you get engagement, you get more people, you can build a following, everything that you want that will take your business to the next level. That's what we did in this checklist and this guide for you that's 100% free. So what you can do also is you can scroll down here and you can actually look the Ultimate Facebook Groups Checklist, your breakthrough strategy to building a thriving community. So you can learn more in depth than just what I read up here about what you're going to be getting for 100% free. And below this video, you can actually click on the link and you can get free access to it instantly right away. No money, okay, 100% free. All you got to do is just click on add to cart and that's it, okay? So basically what I'm going to also give for you guys too is, like I've said in the other videos, I'm going to give you free rights to this, meaning you can use this to build your own email list. So you just download this image, you download the PDF file that you'll get once you add it to the cart and you get it sent to you in your email. Use your best email because if you don't, you won't get the download link. So make sure you use your best email. And like I said, you can take this image, put it on your website, make an opt-in page and give this away for free to build your own email list, to build a relationship with people, or to sell your products and services, or just, help people with where they're stuck on in their business, okay? So below this video in the description, you can click on the link and get free access to this 100% free. Then there'll be another link that will take you to the other 20 that I was talking about. So basically right here, what I would do also is just click on favorite here on your computer or your favorites on your phone. And if you're not at that point yet with the Facebook yet, with setting up a group, come over here. Like I said, the link will be below in the description, and pick one of these checklists right now that will help you in your business now. Now, yes, you can click all these and add them to all the carts, but I wouldn't do that. And the reason why is because you don't want to have information overload, because a lot of times when people do that, they never even get to it. So what I would recommend is you just pick out which one you want to use, right now for your business where you are at. And then once you're finished, go to the next checklist and stuff. And it's that simple. Now, you can download them all. No problem there. But I just want to make sure that you're able to take action, because in this day and age, people, even myself at times, you get information overload and you have a hard time focusing on what you need to do. So it's always best just to, do things one at a time to make sure you put quality into things and you get things done right. So like I said, just below this video, you can get access to all these right here. If you have any kind of questions ever, you can come down here on our page and contact us, and then we'll take you to our support desk and we'll answer any kind of question you have to help you in your business. And then also below this video in YouTube, below the description, you can actually put your comments and let us know, what you think of the checklist, or maybe ones you've already downloaded. Kind of just let people know how good these checklists are, because people are already telling us that they love these checklists. So anything you want, post below that we can help you and help you take your business to the next level, because we're here to help you. And like I said, it's 100% free. It took us time, but it's well worth it to give back and see people have success, okay? So again, just add this to your cart and get it free, and then download the other ones as often as you want so you don't get overloaded with information, okay? So again, this is Chad Bordola. One thing I always ask people too, you don't have to do this, so I'm not trying to pressure you in doing it. And also, if you haven't followed our YouTube channel, please subscribe to that, like it, share the videos. Share the videos on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, and obviously that's Twitter is X. Or tell your friends and family, people maybe that want to start a business. Show them these checklists. Let them know, and so I can help you, with your friends and family and other people to build their business also, because I'm here to help. So any kind of questions you have, please post them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And also too, the next video that I'll be making will be the last one for this 20 checklist series, will be the ultimate Facebook and Instagram ads checklist. Okay, so I'll see you in that next video. Thanks again. This is Chap or Noah. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.